celebration.
Look, staying healthy isn't easy. Watching your diet, hitting the gym, avoiding stress. But a good night's rest helps boost your overall health and wellness. And it couldn't be easier. The new Sleep Number 360 smart bed senses and automatically adjusts to keep you both effortlessly comfortable. The result? You wake up ready for anything. Proven quality sleep is life-changing sleep. It's the biggest sale of the year where all smart beds are on sale. Save 50% on the new Sleep Number 360 limited edition smart bed, only for a limited time. To learn more, go to sleepnumber.com.
Every time Taco Bell's nacho fries returned, those Mexican spices were drawing something closer to the surface.
And once they taste that warm nacho cheese sauce, they won't stop till there's nothing left.
Can the Fry Force save the world and the nacho fries we love?
So either we fight together, or we fry alone.
Or will the monsters devour us all? Get your nacho fries today while you can. Now serving at a Taco Bell near you. At participating U.S. locations for a limited time only.
This is Ice-T and Stone Cold Steve Austin, and
we're on a mission to get America to switch to cold water washing with Tide.
it saves you energy.
And that saves you up to $150 a year on your energy bill.
Plus, Tide cleans better in cold than the bargain brand in hot. So what are you waiting for?
Turn to cold because Stone Cold said so.
Turn to cold with Tide.
Energy savings based on average when switching from hot to cold and non-HE machines. Performance based on Tide Power Pods versus leading baking soda packs.
Day of closing ah. Monday pa. Maraming pera.
Hello? You guys got a mic?
Yep.
Yo, what's up?
Alright, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real.
Here. Where are we going? Oh, wanna go Nova?
Where would you go?
Nova.
Where are we going? Orange?
Battle Royale. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Nova Speed Factory.
Yep. No, I didn't want to land up here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
All our teammates leave, bro. Basically already have a loadie. Daddy right here.
Does anyone need this?
Hey, wait, drop me your money.
Coming.
Plunder cash here.
I think we're just a little aw, dang, we're short just a few dollars. Look for some money.
300. I got a box over here. Oh shit, it's empty.
25 are left. Stay sharp.
Oh, what the hell?
Do you have a voice changer? A voice changer or something?
Oh shit, is it on? Oh, sorry, man.
What?
There you go. I accidentally pressed the voice changer.
Dude, it sounds so weird. It's like, hey, Alan. Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Buy a loadout.
Oh yeah, I got enough. What's our teammate doing, bro?
Gas is closing in.
Alright, where do you want to go? Our teammate's basically AFK.
I'll say let's hold this spot for now.
Alright.
Let's go to the high ground.
Yeah. What load are you using?
RAM 7 and MP5 Warzone. I mean Modern Warfare.
Nice.
And my ghost loadout is Farah 83.
Nice. Mine's the
about you?
Psychovic car. He's in the Bullfrog right now in the SPO.
Nice, nice.
I got
I like the bullfrog. That's too far.
basically
here.
just us two in this call.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
I'm gonna go to the street now, not that house. I'm gonna go to harbor.
Yeah, let's go there.
Be advised,
Orange.
There's an enemy team hunting you.
You're being tracked.
Gonna kill that one. Oh shit. Damn tree.
I hit a sick trick shot in a rebirth like yesterday.
Marking location now. Device spotted. Body armor here. Next objective located.
How many wins you got in rebirth?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Alright.
I got a bounty.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
Dang, why's that on the freaking tower? How do you even get up there? Is there a ladder?
Yeah.
Gas is inbound.
There should be a ladder in there. But I don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, I don't really care. I have a satchel and everything I need.
You don't have a satchel?
Everyone's in the safe zone.
No, I do have a satchel.
Oh, you do?
Safe. You lost the enemy trackers.
It's so far.
How many wins do you have in rebirth? Hello?
Nope, nope. What up? You need something?
Alright, how many wins do you have in Rebirth? In those, whatever. You good or something, bro?
Gas is inbound.
Yeah,
Mark the new safe
I think gotta go.
You gotta go?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh, no, it's good. I'll just solo squad
Sorry, man.
this, you know.
Yo. What's up, bro?
Invite mo na lang, ano, kasama mo, lads.
Sige, tol. Sige, bro. Hindi lang. Alright, let's go. Game. Start mo lang, bro.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Different weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
Let's go.
Yes, guys, bro, how much ping are you getting?
My ping?
Yeah,
I have 200. 300 plus?
yeah, me too.
NA, I think. It's okay, Bingo. You will get more kills here.
Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Go. Market, guys. Market.
Prominent.
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Saan tayo?
To the AO.
Prominent.
You need equipment. I'll take it.
Yun, na-late ako.
Sorry, nawala yung ping. Bingo is from India, bro. So, halong English. Ah, missed it.
English ba? English?
Yeah.
Primary objective is to kill them all.
Bingo is from India.
Oh, okay. I will nosebleed.
Sanay ka naman, taga-US ka man, di ba?
Di lahat ng ano na nandito eh English Carabao lang ako.
New York, bro, di ba?
California Lodge.
California. Ang daming Pinoy dyan.
Dami Lodge. San Francisco, dami. San Diego, dami. New York, kahit saan.
True.
Pero sa ano, pero marami talaga dito sa California, LA.
Ano? Madami?
Oh, marami.
Dami nga eh. May community talaga dyan eh.
Mhm.
Wait.
SMG here.
37995. 500 more?
Box din dito. Ayun, okay na. May ammunition box din ako.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Down
Here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I leave money here.
UAV na mga buwang.
Let's go buy
Plunder cash here.
Lodi.
Oh, bala box oh.
Have one. I
Load
have
up,
I have
sir.
ammunition box. Uy! I already dropped one. Oh, sorry.
Does anyone need this?
I should have saved that one.
Sa akin. I have ammo box. I have ammo box here.
Does anyone need
Napulot
this?
ko, men. Baka sa'yo yun.
Nice.
UAV, do you have money?
UAV. Do we have money?
Setting flame.
Spotted some cash.
Plunder cash here.
There's a 3K over there
1K.
by the buy station.
Want me to pop it? Just there.
Here. Here, money. UAV.
I don't have money.
Pero
Okay,
said,
bang.
for UAV.
Kap ko siguro to.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Clear. Crystal clear. Where do we go, guys?
Dito sa kabila.
Let's push these guys.
Heal.
Yeah, it's more.
Oh, yeah, go. You don't have loadout,
We
I'm
guys
sure.
have another extra UAV.
Moving.
They don't have a buy station.
I think. Guys, pop the UAV.
I already pop it, man.
Oh. You don't have extra?
No, I don't have extra. Oh, specialist.
UAV overhead. Specialist achieved.
Oh. I don't have visual.
I don't see them.
Moving out. Xander here.
Sniper.
Where?
Enemies in
On
the
our
area.
left, on our left.
Here, in here. Down one. I mean kill one.
East.
Fuck. Oh, what the fuck?
I
Putang
don't see
ina.
him. I don't see him. Okay, nasa bahay.
Oh, shit.
He's from here.
Your teammate was sent to
This-
the gulag.
this house.
Fight for a chance to redeploy.
Someone in the orange too.
Yeah.
Sniper ba ako yawa?
Probably run away.
House?
I'm gonna... Oh, shit.
Wala akong visual eh. Na-snipe ako sa roof. Gago talaga.
Saan kaya yun ta?
Galing sa orange kanina eh. Yung pumatay eh. Someone's from there. Earlier.
Your teammate got a problem sorted. Sending them home.
Tangina, nag-lag pa talagang bis.
Thank you, Idol. Prudencio, Dexter. Yo, shout out. Basic. Gonna buy you back death card.
Yes. Sige bro.
Well, man.
So nearby station.
Vendor here if you need it. Moving. Moving. Disregard last.
You guys cover me.
Okay.
Thank you. Run!
Thank you. Where the fuck did I die? Can't even remember.
Bro, red door. In this building, there is a red door.
Here.
Heading this way.
Sige, let's Dexter.
Where? Enemy?
Basic.
Drop headed your way.
Enemy in the blue building.
Okay.
Sniper.
Shot him twice.
Gas is in.
Two armor bro.
Two boxes.
Roof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blue mark.
Downed him.
Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover.
And
Downed him.
Down already.
Yeah, two down.
nice,
two down.
nice.
Mabebeso din yan.
Get inside the building. Don't use the rope.
Pwede ghosted.
I'm inside the building.
You're inside already?
On the bottom floor. I'm going upstairs.
Filipino.
Moving.
Tapos yung isa daw from India daw eh. Kaya
Pwede beso.
ini-English namin para maintindihan.
I'm going up.
Yung isa lang ang kaya nagno-nosebleed kami.
Gas is closing in.
Can one of you buy a precision and mark?
I think there's 3 in there, man.
Are they still there? They're ghosted, I think.
Yeah. They are above me.
I think they're
going
ghosted.
Yes. Yeah, they know.
Or
I'm
not
here.
really. They're inside, I think.
They are coming down. I'm in the stairs.
Oh, shit! They're in the top.
Waiting.
Where?
I thought you were in the top.
5 blue mark.
I misunderstood.
You're up next, mate. Get ready. You win this fight and you
Red cut,
return to the
can
front
you
line.
mark a
Lose,
precision
you're
on this
done.
building? I am at the door.
Time to earn your
If they come,
freedom,
I can shoot them.
Planting Claymore.
Oh! Game
Man, you a bitch, man. Did you guys get them? They're still there?
I'm still here.
Are you in the rooftop,
Yeah.
Bingo? Oh, they're in the rooftop.
One floor below.
Inside.
One floor below. I'm one floor below them.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I see one. I see two.
Where?
If you
Rooftop,
mark the
rooftop.
precision means I can easily shoot them.
Rooftop of Bingo?
Oh, at the back, at the back.
I'm
on top
one
of,
floor below the rooftop,
Bingo.
bro. I am at the stairs.
Are they on top?
Yeah.
Yeah, on top, on top. May bounty tayo sa gilid.
Let's get a... Should we call it a airstrike or something?
Ang enough ka.
Nice one, did you get it? Nice one.
Good. Can I come up?
Got one of them. Oh my god, it's another team. Yes.
Where they at?
I got one of them.
Oh my god, they're camping on top. 3 of them. Bayut.
Sumunod ako eh.
Ang ina.
Going out of
Buisit
here.
talaga ito mga. Tae.
Bro, can I go for the loading?
Yeah, the load is clear.
Yeah.
I don't know if they
You
are
guys
still
can
here.
buy one.
Where are they?
Negative. Cancel lost.
Pera?
Seti, where are those enemies, bro? Did they jump off or where are they?
Never mind.
Wait, I don't have visual.
Okay.
Don't see any, bro.
location.
You're still camping in there?
Never mind.
Yeah, I think so.
They're still camping there.
Buy one first, guys.
Yeah. Naghahanap ako ng pera.
They were
Bingo has
camping there
400.
for like an hour already.
Bingo, just put the money in the buy station.
Yeah,
please.
grabe.
Okay.
Professional campers.
Professional campers.
Nakatutok sa rappel eh.
Yeah, he's at the top.
Make for target location. Negative. Cancel lost.
That's the eagle's nest.
Contact. Make for target location. Negative. Cancel lost.
Bro, he's watching me. Careful.
Oh,
Thank you. Oh, Juggernaut. I'll try to get this.
Juggernaut is back.
Somebody's in the loading, man.
Yeah, they are camping near the Lodi, I think.
Gago! Putang ina! Wisit! Kunin yung Juggernaut! Patay na!
Seti, get inside the building. Someone just shot me from there.
At the back, at the back.
Tangina, ang dami nag-drop dun sa Juggernaut. Tae.
Spotted a care package.
Kala ko makuha ko na. Fuck.
Steady bro, can you come for the loading? Can I go for the loading?
Yeah. I was just there.
He's bro, snipe him. He's still.
Just get my stuff. Tado yun, marunong mag...
Pa rin?
Tangina, nakuha ng Juggernaut.
Bro, where? Oh, you got it.
Nag-buyback
Okay.
pa.
One guy over there, I cracked him.
Tagal ng mga tao, ng ano dyan.
Tanga, namatay. Yung nag-buyback namatay. Oh, aray ko. Sa likod, sa likod. Bingo, here, bingo.
Yeah, coming. What, bro? Oh my god, the Juggernaut is near us. Bro, come near me.
Yeah. Let's go out. That is the
One guy
Juggernaut
over there.
Tangina,
Behind
Juggernaut
me.
yan. Sayang, hindi ko nakuha.
Told you. Oop.
Yung most wanted o, tabi mo lang.
Kaya nga eh.
Contact!
Tayo. Anan.
Takbo lang siya, open field.
Begin.
Sa ano?
Bro,
Damn, hindi ko napatay. Bahala kayo dyan sa Juggernaut sa init.
Cluster strike yung Juggernaut.
Kaya nga eh.
he's sniping.
Yeah. Ikaw.
Invincible ba ang Juggernaut sa gas? Or pwede siya mamatay?
Pwede mamatay.
May gas mask ba siya? Kuha kanina.
Juggernaut.
juggernaut. 25 remaining.
They are below you, inside your building.
Yeah. Tangina. Bakit dito?
Bro, watch the stairs. Yeah, he's below you.
Nice.
Bahala kayo dyan. Sige.
Enemy juggernaut.
I'm moving.
Ano yun?
Oh,
Go.
Hindi mo ikuha mo na. Pumasok.
Go.
Gagawin natin!
don't.
Atras, gagawin natin!
Ay, gago dyan. Ganun pala yun.
Gagawin natin!
Sorry. Hindi ko nakita.
Tapang mo ah!
Juggernaut.
Tapang mo ah, head on ka sa Juggernaut.
Tanga-tanga. Right, ang hiya.
Get yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Vander. Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone. Grab their gear if you need equipment.
Puta. Shit, almost there.
Tao dyan, men.
Wala akong nakita dun eh, sa kabila eh.
Targets are up. Get to work.
Makapabil kasi. Kala ko ikaw pinapabil.
Plunder cash here.
100 kulang. Pera, hindi nyo kinuha yung pera. The money, man.
Plunder cash here.
Lang pa ba?
Oh, not enough. We need 400 more.
Ito, meron akong
400 more.
500.
Ah, there. Perfect.
One. Perfect.
Moving. Got a loadout from inbound.
Field upgrade here.
Ang gagamitin ko.
The other side?
Tara.
There is a dead silence over here.
Field upgrade here.
Yeah, okay. I'll get that. Field upgrade.
Ah. Kulang pa.
Tacticals here. Does anyone need this? Gas is moving. Does anyone need this?
Kanya na. Ammunition box. May ammunition box ako. Okay pa kaya?
Nice.
Sige, okay pa ako.
Ah, sige. Mamaya na lang.
Car.
Let's buy UAV.
Enemy UAV overhead.
UAV.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
UAV guys.
The other guys.
Copying money in the buy station.
Wait lang, may kalaban, men.
Friendly UAV overhead.
This bike.
Where?
Coordinates marked.
Let's go there.
I think they are buying loading.
Oh, they're moving already.
Moving.
They're moving.
Coordinates marked.
Yeah, they're gonna buy Lodi. Come.
Lodi yan,
They already bought.
Enemy UAV overhead.
They are popping
Truck.
heavy.
There's a truck.
Pushing.
Fuck, one is down.
Pin.
Got one.
What the? I think it's a third party.
Over there, cracked him.
Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. Here we go. You can always have a go at these bastards while you're waiting. Give them some choice words or smash their mugs with well-placed stuff.
Oh, tangina, fuck.
Saan yan?
From where?
No, let me move first.
Easy.
Here.
Fight's on.
Sige, go.
You're up next, mate. Get ready.
Dun sa, Mark.
Cheating. Cheater.
Oop.
Ah, fuck.
He's
Dalawa
alone.
sa likod, men.
Return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Tara,
Cheating.
git ka. Ayun ako. Wala na akong armor. Grabe, kadami kong na-down dun. Ah, damn it.
Cheating sila, men. Cheating. 3 aim.
Dito ba yung mga yun? Oh, laya ko ah.
Trophy system deployed. Moving. Gather here if you need equipment. Teammate redeploying to the AO.
Tara,
Doon, ayaw nyo? May tao.
Teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Nakabuwa nga.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Tao sa blue mark.
Your teammate's done in. We're returning to base.
May tao na dyan sa gilid, men, ha?
Sa blue.
Dito.
Loadout drop inbound.
Dito. May tao na dyan.
Ah, sige.
Ayun, no?
Uy. Ito sa'yo. Patay mo?
Ah, patay.
Nice. Uy, may sumusunod.
Hindi ako nakita.
Advanced UAV. We're exposed.
Saan sumusunod?
Sa pinanggalingan ko yata eh. Wala akong bisol eh. Pero...
Dito.
Enemies in the area.
Down isa.
Fuck. Ano yung armor niya?
Galing yatang ano eh.
Akong armor.
Ako rin. Wala.
May bomba nila sa akin. Ito, armor
They
sa...
bought a Lodi over there.
Eyes on shooter.
Moving.
Negative. Cancel lost.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Uy, nandito na sa baba nyo. Nasa first floor nyo. Meron na rin sa likod ko. Dalawa.
Seti, below you, Seti. Below you.
Ang ina yan.
Yeah.
Tumingin ako sa
On
first
your-
floor. Meron pala
Ayaw
sa
nga
labas.
pala. Nakalimutan ko. May kasama pala tayo.
Stupid. Ah, man. Ah.
Nice.
Nice.
Aid station here.
May bago may support team. Alat ah. Tao pa tayo. South side.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
Bawi.
You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Taas ng ping ah. LDT, wag naman. Bubble dito.
Battle Royale.
Tapos na warm up.
Point for your team. You'll lead them in.
Panalo na to.
Avoid the gas.
Okay, let's go.
Pagtang warm up,
No
ulan
more
na
warm
naman.
up.
Panalo na to.
Sure win na to, sure win.
Sure win na to.
I-on ko na aking aim assist.
Drill on our aim assist, bingo.
Let's use our 100% superpower. Superpower.
Nakasabay. Bunker na ako ah.
Dropping bunker.
Fire station now.
Oh. Kaya plate pa.
Wala naman sumabay eh.
Wala.
Alright, lads, let's get it done.
May sumabay man dito eh. Di patay.
Patayin.
Patay ako o sila.
Salvage.
Tell me.
Eight box, meron ako sabi lang. Baba ako.
Sige lads. Thank you.
Dito na tayo. Kung wala makuha, kunin natin yan.
Selfie. Nakakuha ng selfie.
Sarap kabila.
Just revive.
Extra medical.
Tara, load out. Load out guys, buy load out. Dropping money.
Plunder cash here.
800 lang ang pera ko. Ah.
Late box din ako.
Spotted some cash.
Lang, 500.
Ito, punta na ako. Coming.
8 pack baba. Eight packs, bingo.
Loadout drop inbound.
Field upgrade here.
Pala.
Body armor here.
Not on 2 pieces. Go on it next.
Right.
Go lumber.
Go to lumber.
Does anyone need this?
Yeah, let's go.
Wala yun silang buy station. Wala yun silang loadout.
I'll drive.
Go lumber, bingo.
Let's buy UAV first. UAV.
Moving.
Okay.
UAV muna, UAV.
Happy, I'll say it.
Thank you. Go.
Babalikan sila dun.
Wala yun silang they don't have loadout for sure. Ever
Yung buy
enemies there.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Nada. Wala. Nobody here.
And they ghosted.
Wala silang loadout bro. Oh, here oh.
Moving. Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Wala, low, ano yun? Parang may bug.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Uy. May nag-drop ah. Dito? Sa taas ko yata. Ay, ikaw pala yun eh.
Sa akin.
Ang ina tong gago na to boss.
Nice.
Coordinates marked.
Kanina ko pa inahabol yung gago na yan.
Make for target
Isip, sige
location.
takbo.
Yun yung kanina sa UAV. Sabi ko ba't wala? Kakababa lang pala niya.
Oh, they're already here oh. They're close lang. Ang bounty.
Tama, let's go. Let's get one.
Let's push them.
Make for target location. Negative. Cancel loss.
Moving.
So, open
Down,
field
down
na
there. Open, there and open.
Down.
target is down.
Nice.
Well done.
Nice one.
One guy ran over there.
Mover spotted.
Oh, someone's in there.
Moving. Disregard blast.
I see someone in there.
Hindi tayo dyan, men.
May nakita ko sa orange ah.
Someone's in the house.
Nasa taas yan, sa orange. Orange pin, someone in there.
Ah, fuck, no! Tangin na
Nice, nice, nice.
Enemy launched an advanced UAV. We're exposed.
Stop, please, stop. Cover one cover.
Yeah, man. Oh, shit, dude.
Mover spotted.
I didn't see. Oh my god.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Stop, sir.
May tao. Sorry.
Use stun.
May tao.
Fight for a chance.
Gitsi tong third party
Oh,
dun sa
shit.
Gas is
Tangin na
moving in.
talaga.
New safe zone located.
Dali ako
Bro,
dun
go
sa
through the right.
Walang loadout yun.
Walang baril. Uy, sayang.
Na-stuck ako sa may drum. Pagtalon ko.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. We got a proper fight here. You can practice your aim while you wait. Watching your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed stone.
Saan tayo dun?
Pay attention, you'll be out there soon. You're up next, mate. Get ready. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. You're heading back to base. If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
May tao, men.
Wala akong bala, puta raga. Dapat pala fully loaded kinuha ko. Doon pa talaga nag-drop yung ating loadout. Ay, nako. Hirap manalo ah. Pwede ka magdiretso doon. Makabuy ba ka dalawa na?
Ito? Bye?
Supply run ba? Kung tapusin mo yung supply run, you can buy two.
Light vehicle here.
So there might be campers at the present here.
May sniper ah, ingat.
Uy, putang ina, may sniper.
Oh, may sniper. Sayang.
Sa akin. Tabang talaga doon.
Naka-aim na. Pwede sana yun, naka-car ka lang. Huwag kang baba.
Hirap din, men. Hindi makabili.
Visit ako dun kanina. Walang loadout yung mga yun. Sa house.
Nadali ako sa pagtalon ko. May blue na drum doon.
Oo, kala
May
ko
nakabang
makuha mo
sa
na yun
cliff
eh.
There was someone at the cliff. Pag cross natin open, doon tayo nadali sa cliff.
Nalito rin kayo ko kanina nung pag babariling ko, may pangalan, sabi ko. May pangalan na magkatapat pala kayo. Nakapasok tuloy. Patay na sana yun.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
Let's go, let's go.
I'll be the pilot.
Oh, somebody left the party. Real Slim City.
Yeah,
Oh, steady.
I'll pull it out.
Yeah, I said. Go.
Auto DC.
Target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Ano, parang may Twitter ah. Kaya Mark. You guys Mark.
Number tayo, loot. Tapos dito, bye.
Let's go.
Walang bababa dyan.
Warm up is over.
Gulag for now.
Battle Royale. You've got gas
Gulag
closing in
landing.
fast. Get to the safe zone. Enemy soldier incoming.
Tayo. Nakaload up. Ang bababa na, oh.
Oh, binabaril kagad ako ah. Ubus yung plates ko kagad ang pucha.
Oh.
Contact!
Are you guys going to scavenger?
Located a supply box.
Yeah.
Secure that position.
Kasabay, men.
Supply spotted.
They're still after me. The hell?
All right.
Someone is below me.
Contract updated. New objective identified. Enemies in the area!
Gago.
Wow. And the whole team is here.
Ayoko talaga mag-drop to scab. Kadaming kasabay.
Ay, dami nila. Putak nila. Alam ko isa lang. Get me.
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Oh, I killed myself.
Bringing you home.
Huh?
If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Bitch!
Moving.
Deathcat bro, I think the prison is not looted.
The what?
Prison is not looted.
Oh, I already dropped here.
Okay, I'm coming
This
there.
place is not yet looted also.
You and me. Let's go.
Ah, fuck.
Here, money. I can buy one.
Bro, whom should I buy?
There's a buy station here.
No, whom should I buy? Sedi or...
There.
So, just buy.
You. Buy whoever. Random.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Sayang, nakano pa pala tayo. Oh, makuha na natin si ano.
Saan pa ibang buy station?
Saan talaga malapit doon eh.
Okay, wait.
Kaya ako pera.
Heading this way.
I-loot ko lang last ah. Coming.
18 mine prime.
Yeah, try to loot more. Loadout pa tayo. Three, four.
Salamat, idol.
Nice.
Salamat sa pagbuhat.
Loadout. Oh, loadout.
Coming.
Combine.
Money here.
We have to combine all our money.
Good cash in.
Stand by loadout.
Game bounty, man.
Mark some gear.
Sige, kunin ko.
Plunder cash here.
Wala.
Sige.
Loadout drop headed your way. Bounty target is up. Let's get it done.
Copper.
Alright. Nice one. You were able to reset.
Second life. Second chance.
Body armor here.
Chopper.
Moving.
You guys wanna push him?
Where?
Bounty. Guys wanna push?
Bounty?
Okay. Yeah.
Let's just walk.
This chopper.
Malaman tayo said eh.
I don't have enough
Yun,
ammunition.
okay.
Oh, shit.
Amo lang, wala eh.
Yeah.
Ammo, I have ammo.
Only have like
Guys,
2
what ammo do you
rounds.
guys need?
AR?
Sniper?
2 rounds.
AR?
SMG.
AR.
AR. Shotgun pala. SMG.
Thank you.
Loadout
Thank you,
drop
thank you.
inbound.
There at the bike.
Thank you.
Let's get our ghost.
Oh,
Yeah.
we can get our ghost.
2 boxes, 2 boxes.
Boxes.
Yeah.
Well, for our, that's our bounty.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Hey, you get your ghost. I'll mark. Okay.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Go. They're already using AV.
Yeah. I'm ghost.
Down. Kill the guy.
Enemy over there. Chopper coming in.
Vehicle incoming. Vehicle.
Enemy over there.
Oy, the bounty is in our side. In that side, bounty. Plating, man. Wala akong plates.
Okay,
Wait. Uy, sorry.
Stop na si ano.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bro, the bounty is in that building. They are running away.
Damn, I need plates.
This
Moving.
fucker.
Plates, man.
Here, plates. Here, buy plates. Ito.
We have ammunition box.
Shield upgrade here.
Coming.
Here.
That first zone?
Pera.
Zone ata yan, man eh.
Coordinates
Enemy team is tracking your position.
Huh?
Time's up.
Ben, wait back.
Oh, bili na kayo armor, oh. To, tara.
Moving.
Meron ako ano. Pera.
Zone man, it's fast, it's too fast.
Let's go.
Get the car.
Second inside. Di pa yan fast.
Second pala.
Di na yan fast.
Okay.
Oo. We can walk.
Copy.
What happened to the bounty?
I think
Fire.
he did quit or
He
something.
was over there.
He quit?
He was over there. No, bro. I think he was alone, so he ran away.
Okay.
He has the car a while ago, right?
No, there's no more bounty on the map. Time
The
expired,
contract
ba?
is over.
Yeah, it expired.
Okay.
Somebody's here. Oh, I think that's it.
Which building?
Yeah, we can wait for the bounty to finish.
I have a threat.
Tayo konti sa zone, man. Para pag pumasok man, hindi tayo alanganin.
Yeah.
Push forward. You're a threat. We know it's in the front.
Five seconds.
Yeah, I survived.
We can buy UAV.
Here if you need equipment.
The gas is coming.
Oh yeah, too late.
Yeah, but
too
we're
late.
inside.
We can buy here.
Xander here if you need
On
equipment.
the way.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
I think they're all camping in lumber.
I'm gonna drop my money over here.
Visual.
Here, I'll buy UAV.
Plunder cash here.
You want me to pop it now?
Sige, pop it.
Okay.
Where?
What the fuck?
Moving.
Blue mark.
location.
What the hell?
Disregard lost.
Red cards,
They
bro.
already know where we are. I killed him just here.
Moving.
Oh,
They're gonna gatekeep here
Moving.
for sure.
yeah.
So do you guys wanna push
Come on,
hard
let's cross here.
He's running.
Yeah, let's go left. Just go left.
Bro, enemies in the stadium. Over there. Be careful.
Gas is closing in.
No, we can go around through here.
Moving.
Okay.
Go.
Seti,
You
you
can
are
just
going
stick
in
to the
the-
wall.
Copy.
Yeah, okay.
Let's Yeah, stick to the side.
Safe zone.
Then maybe we can go here.
One squad, ah.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
That cuts, bro. We should go up.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemies in the area.
Pababa, Sed.
Enemies in the area.
No. Papunta sila ng yung bunker.
Disregard
Yung
last.
line ng bunker.
They're out in the open. They're crossing.
Contact. Contact.
Okay.
Disregard last.
Doon na.
Heading this way.
You can wait here.
Yeah, that.
Eyes on shooter.
Copy that.
Never mind.
Don't shoot them. Too far.
Okay.
Copy that. Enemy traps here.
Regroup tayo, Sed. You guys wanna go here?
Moving.
And start going there.
Kalaban?
It's just the
No.
Claymore.
Oh, man.
Claymore.
Pwede tayo magpwesto dati dun, sa blue. You can go there.
Tara.
Ahead.
Yeah, we can
Advance.
go, hard right.
Yeah, hard right tayo. Let's
High
go at the
ground.
back.
Okay.
Yeah, let's use
Let's
the
go
back
high
area.
ground.
Ah, shit, it's already moving. Fuck. Nine teams.
Ain't ghosted, right?
I'm
Yeah,
ghosted.
we are close.
Yeah, they're all ghosted.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Moving.
Let's kill this guy.
Contact.
Coming.
Wanted.
Truck.
Truck.
Thermite down.
Cracked him, fully cracked. One shot.
God
He's
damn.
running.
Ignore him na.
He's
Mr.
pushing
Bingo.
left.
Okay.
Somebody might third party us.
Okay.
You guys wanna continue pushing?
Yeah, go here. Let's advance. There's only 8 teams left.
Gas is closing in.
Someone's probably camping in there.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Too bad we don't have kill streaks.
Target right here.
Nice.
Oh, someone is using crossbow, I
Enemy
think.
UAV overhead.
Saan, Sed? Here.
So sa, yung ano?
Copy that.
Nasa police station din.
Yeah, let them kill each other.
Someone is shooting us from there, from that direction. Some
Oh
crossbow
man,
guy.
somebody's here. Or gulag. What the fuck?
You're camping? I don't see.
Hey, someone is using crossbow on me.
I know, I can hear it. So weird.
Just be in the circle only. Watch out for the
Weird,
violet part.
naglabas. Oh, this fucking glitch. Tamok. 18 left, 18 left. I just hope there's no cheater. I'm gonna get my anti-cheat loadout if ever.
Gas is closing in.
Okay.
Relocating the safe zone.
This is a nice
Dito
spot
tayo,
here.
left.
Moving.
Yep.
Yan, okay.
Left?
Yeah, we can go there.
Maganda dyan sa blue, may ano yan, may... There are a bunch of rocks
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
and trees. Oh, fuck! Down one. Shit.
Ah, shit, they saw me.
Ay, tayo na, ninabutan tol, sorry.
That's okay, that's okay.
Can someone top me?
Get to the safe zone.
One
Dali,
cover,
tama.
one to get up.
Yeah. Coming.
Cover
Kill
bingo.
confirm. Nice one.
Okay, coming.
Thank you.
I think they push back.
Na-down ko na yung
Oh,
isa
there you
doon.
go. They're sniping.
Hard left, man. Hard left.
Okay, copy. Ayun, na-down ko na yung isa doon. Yawa. Sniper ba sila?
Ay, sniper
Meron.
kanina, nakita ko.
Ah, shit. Behind us.
No, front of us.
Front.
That.
Marking waypoint.
Bro, don't go there. Seti, he's over there in purple mark.
Yeah, I know. I'm just using cover.
Hard left.
He's sniping.
I don't see him.
Police
That-
station.
Oh,
Back.
police.
Yeah.
I'm safe here.
Wait lang, may nag-i-snipe.
Bingo, the gas is moving, bingo.
Wait.
We're not out here. Get to the safe zone.
Takin nakatutok ta. Sandali ah.
Okay lang. Prone ka lang. Prone.
Threat.
Thank you.
Lang ah.
Next armor ka, Sed.
Oh,
Ano yan lahat?
Thank you.
go closer to them, Bingo.
Sniper na yun, no? Bingo. Can you go?
Yeah, coming, bro. Bigger.
They're still busy because there's a third party.
Oh,
Shoot.
Keep it up.
They're pushing.
We're dead.
They still have airstrike.
God. Cheater to siya. Cheater. I knew it. I knew this guy was a cheater.
You wanna spectate?
This guy.
You wanna spectate?
Oh, this guy was a cheater.
What's his name?
This guy. Tres. I already saw him at the pre-game lobby.
I'm spectating him. What?
I knew it. This fucking Korean Chinese motherfucker. Nice game.
That's the closest one.
Yeah, they had a really good spot. The police. Tangina. Imagine that was a final circle. We could have just landed and started there.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Come on, give us a seater free lobby.
Tapos na warm up. Totoo na to.
Warm up is done. Gulag is next.
Ano na to? Gulag is real na.
This is the real one.
Tiyot na gulag, boys.
Gulagers, let's go.
Okay, warm up is done. This is for real. I think we're gonna win this one.
Bingo, activate your kits now.
Come on, Bingo. Carry us to victory.
Turn on your aim assist.
Carry us to
Open up
victory.
your aim assist. Lalala, meron sa likod. Money's in my bag.
Your primary objective is to kill them all. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Somebody's dropping. The other side. Yeah, they're on the other side.
Eyes on shooter.
I pushed him.
Oh shit, not enough money.
Troops in contact.
Crack one of them. Down, down, down.
Nice one. Nice one, nice one.
Push, push, push. They are going to the police station.
I'm pushing up.
Yeah. Tara, let's push.
Coming.
Yeah, inside police
I
station.
don't shoot her.
Copy.
That is
Make
doing
for
that.
target location.
Inside.
Yeah.
Inside and outside.
In blue
One
mark.
out.
Uh,
At the back.
that one.
Over spotted.
I think he will be coming through this side.
I have an ugly gun.
They're ready at fire.
What?
Oh, visual.
At the fire station. On top. One is on top.
They're running. They just...
They're going to satellite. Puta, lag ako. Oh shit, grabe lag. What the fuck?
UAV overhead.
Yeah, that.
Down on top.
Coordinates marked.
Okay.
I'm lagging, guys.
Pushing.
Oh,
Down yung on
Yeah,
top.
me too.
Down on top.
Teammates
I
in
might
the
do
gulag.
dipping.
If they survive, they can redeploy.
Oh, it's in the side. Fuck. Oh,
Back.
fuck. It's here. Damn it.
Gulag.
Hindi ko napansin.
Survive and you can redeploy.
grabe
Meron
lag
pa
pala
pala
dun.
AM63 lang.
Oh. Bro, this guy is definitely cheating. Yeah. Chris is.
Win
There is
here and you
it,
return to the front line.
Yeah,
Are
Chris.
you sure?
Chris.
We can pull it out.
Sort
Yeah,
out
bro.
or capture the objective.
I was rotating through the back of the fire station. He saw me through wall.
Yeah, let's pull it out. Pull it out.
There is no chance that he could have seen me. I even popped the dead silence.
There, it's that.
Stand by for redeployment.
Anyone need this? I'll take it.
Lag din ako eh.
Lag ba yun?
Teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Ayun, kinuha pa yung scab.
What the hell?
Teammate
Gusto mo kunin niya?
KO.
Does anyone need
Ay,
this?
nakabalik naman pala tayo eh. Ito na tayo.
Meron tao?
May tao ba dyan?
Natin dyan.
Ito na ako sa blue. Di pa looted.
Dito na ako sa purple. Drop na lang ako dito. Lag ako, grabe. Why am I lagging so bad?
Enemy over there.
Hostile operator.
They are pushing.
your side.
NTA Buto.
Yeah? Oh shit, someone's
many?
in here. Someone's on me.
Push it. Ano papatay, man?
There's I think three of two
Putay na
of them.
isang squad yan, gago.
Sige,
Ano,
wait,
pull back,
wait,
pull back,
wait,
pull back,
wait,
pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Pull back, Pingo. Squad,
Okay.
squad.
Looted.
One squad. teammate lang. Teammate lang. Oh, sniper. They're loadout. They have loadout, man. They have loadout. They have loadout. Ano ba yun?
Grabe. Everything's looted.
Where is
Alapitin nyo lang.
Ah, grabe. Layo sa loadout eh.
Bro, they are pushing us. They are pushing us.
Ah!
What?
Mga bobo pala.
Tang ina, lahat looted.
Yep. One guy had a
Does anyone
shotgun.
need this?
And he's super close to me. Damn it.
Perfect gun for a spot.
Oh shit.
Lag ka nga ta.
You guys want to change server later or after this?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Any is still better.
I'm getting 300 ping.
And it's better than Asia, man.
Okay.
Any is still better than Asia.
Yeah, they're aggressive, huh? Asia.
Yeah. Somebody's pushing me.
No.
How the fuck did he know I'm here? What the fuck?
Oh.
What? No UAV, nothing?
I know.
Are you
right?
kidding me? Unbelievable.
There's too many hacker here in NA too.
I was just inside the building, then suddenly this car stops and
It's just a warm up, no worries.
Ah.
fucking Activision.
Okay, நான் ரீசர்ஜ் சொல்லணும்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேட்ச் ரீசர்ஜன்ஸ் சும்மா தேர்டு அதுவும் இல்லாம 2 ஸ்குவாட் நான் மட்டும் தனியா போய் போட்டேன் ஃபுல்லா புள்ளியும் சீக்கிரம் 2 ஸ்குவாடு 4 பேரையும் நான் மட்டுமே பண்ணேன் இவங்க போற சர்வர்ல எனக்கு 120 பிங் இருக்கு நீ எப்ப வர வீட்டுக்கு
Okay, where do we drop? Bingo, you choose.
What, bro? Oh,
Shoot,
I shoot.
where to drop?
Warm up is over. Do this for real.
For the third time.
Can we go here?
Warm up is over third time. Let's go there.
Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Gas is approaching your position.
Oh, there are 3 scabs there. Bingo.
These guys there, there are many enough. Many
There are a lot
droppers
of
there.
people gonna
And-
drop there.
Okay. Here?
Scavenger contract located.
Alright,
Okay.
I'll think.
Okay, nobody.
One here. Oh, nice.
Located a supply box. Secure that position. Targets are up. Get to work. Contract updated. New objective identified.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
So I think the next scab will be near downtown.
This is already the final.
Okay.
You can load out already.
All supply boxes found. Solid work.
Okay. Nice one.
Go to the police.
Where's the buy? Here?
Yeah.
No, police. Here,
Police?
here.
Okay.
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 Coming.
Para
Better,
malapit
closer.
sa atin lahat. For everybody.
I have armor box.
Dumping money.
Ah, perfect.
You guys need armor or what? Later.
I buy
Headed your way.
here, buy one more UAV.
Plunder cash here.
I already have one. I'll pop one first.
Friendly UAV
Ay!
overhead.
Shit!
UAV entering the area.
I just popped
Where's the
one.
ammo box?
I just popped one.
We can refill here, bro. Come inside this.
Where's the ammo? May ammo box ka, di ba?
Armor.
Botol?
Plate yun, plate.
I have armor.
Armor. Okay. Okay, I'll loot.
Be advised, UAV is bingo
Kaya naman ako armor.
TV for resupply.
Fucking lag.
Should I use the armor box?
Oh, do you want me to drop it? Okay.
Okay.
Rocky system deployed.
The hell was
Anyone need this?
You can get the bounty.
Oh, Mr. Bingo left. I think he got disconnected or something. And disconnect.
Ah, shit.
Anong ano niya?
Easy pa talaga. Sige lang, patuloy na natin.
Let's just
Sayang.
finish this.
Okay.
Lag ata talaga siya. Lag din naman ako eh, pero taste na lang.
Saan si Bingo? Sa India?
Taga Indian, hindi ko alam. South ata? Hindi ko alam anong city.
Healthy target has been marked. Kill him.
Support.
Tayo pa nun ah.
Pwede natin gatekeep yan eh.
Saan? Yung ano? Ang layo ah.
Port. Mag-cross yan sila.
Downtown. Hindi ko gusto tong downtown.
Pwede na daanan.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Ako.
Enemy
Tagal
UAV
mabog ng gas.
overhead.
Ayaw gumalaw ng bounty oh.
Ito sa tayo building.
Mag-move na yun sila.
Truck. Yung truck o yung truck.
Naka-truck sila, bounty?
Truck o.
Sa baba lang ah.
Try ko yan itong bounty eh. Gatekeep. Ayaw gumalaw eh, grabe oh. Gusto nyo mag-suicide sa gas oh, tala mo. Patay ito sa gas. Bounty's down! In 3.
Malapit na matapos yan. Malapit ng mga ano.
Mamatayan sila lahat. Yun oh. Mamatay ito.
Ay, nakatakas pa. God dang. Wala. Pag yung Farah gamit ko, ano na yun? Uy! Kabilang building.
Saan yan?
300 northwest sa building. Top of the building.
Taas din?
Top of, yeah. Dito yata eh.
Moving.
Malayo, pero
Doon yung bounty natin eh.
Moving.
Sana ako.
uy. Sa open.
Takas pa mga gago.
Wala na akong bala. Pucha. Baba ako ah.
Go, 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 bro.
Sa stadium ako, sa stadium.
Field 2.
Ano, wala akong bala.
Sana lang naiwan. Galing nila tumakbo, nakatakas talaga. Clear ba ang ano, loadout o may nakaabang dito sa
Diyan sila galing eh.
makita eh. Oo. Daan ko tong loadout. Oh shit. Parang
Sila
namatay.
may balok, may bebab ako.
Ah, doon oh.
Ay, sa likod din, meron din. West, west.
Sila yun.
Yan yung kanina.
Tapat. Taas tayo.
Wala nga loadout ko. Ay. Bumalik sila. Balik.
Survive and you can redeploy.
Balik yung binabaril natin.
There's a fight kicking off. You're up next, mate. Get ready. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over.
Stadium said.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Ah, shit. Huwag ka nang lambe.
Shit.
We're bringing you home. Your team can still buy you back if they have
Kailan?
the cash.
Bye ba kita, bro? Bro, pakimark na ano? Buy station.
Ito, stadium.
Aid station here.
Yan na lang para makita ko lang.
Does anyone need this?
Salamat, salamat.
Hindi ako bahala, bay ah.
Say.
Wala ako nang bahala.
Gusto niyo bagsakan ko tong ano, bounty?
Sige, sige.
Ah, wala palang daanan ito.
Push lang ako dito sa rap.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert. Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Habang mga weapons yan.
Puta, nahulog ako. Shit. Dito, bro. Maganda to.
Assault rifle here. Moving.
XM4.
Kailan ko pala yung hunted doon, no?
Nice, nice. Ayos to, ayos to.
Moving.
Blue, ano yan? Special weapon.
Loadout mo to?
Hindi, hindi. Nakita ko lang. Drop sila dito.
Moving.
May car pushing. Sa akin. Dito na yung car, dito na yung car. Sa akin car.
Copy, copy. Ghosted ba?
Nasa ano ka eh.
May kalaban dyan ah. Cut.
Ah, hindi. Hindi nag...
Ay, nandyan na yung bounty. Yung ano mo. Yung ano.
Double threat ka na, Sed.
Double threat na.
May red door dito. Sa akin. Pwede tayo magsibat.
Kaya to.
Gas is closing. Moving.
Tara, triple threat na.
Ah, sige, sige. Sibat na, sibat na. Dali pa ako.
Tara, Sed, tara, Sed. Mag-gatekeep tayo.
Walang plan. Nasa taas?
Sa akin, sa akin,
Nasa
sa akin.
baba
Sa
sila.
akin, sa akin. Second floor, second floor.
Pasok.
Huwag mo galawin.
Ay!
Isa lang dapat mag-open.
Ah, okay.
Ah, shit. Dito na sila.
Hindi ko lang naman.
Lagyan mo ng C4.
System deployed.
Tangin na.
Ay, gago.
Oh, man. I'm okay. Ah. Step pala na yung ano, friend invite. bisita nun eh.
Laban mo ta.
Does anyone need this? Moving. Light vehicle here. Does anyone need this? I'll try.
Wata! Nakasakay sa'yo.
Bro, dago ko. Tira mo.
Atasan mo, atasan mo.
Tangina, no. Ah, shit. Ah, nahabol pa ako.
Out muna ako, men.
Sige, sige.
Prep muna ako dinner. Thanks.
GG,
dinner.
GG.
Sige, sige, sige.
Thank you, thank you.
Alat.
Alat, no? Fuck.
Pwede tayo.
Panalo, may namalas.
Malas nga. Oh, malas pa ako. Kanina pa.
Oh. May invite ka?
Invite ako dalawa eh.
Rest na lang muna siguro. Out mo na lang ako. Out na lang ako, bro.
Oh, sige, sige.
Thank you.
Tulog na rin ako.
GG, GG.
GG, GG.
Salamat lang.